Hey, investors! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Mueller Industries, MLI, a stock that's been quietly making waves. Is this underrated industrial stock a hidden gem or a value trap? We're breaking down everything: stock trends, key financials, technical indicators, and major catalysts, to help you make sense of it all. Stick around because we'll also check out Wall Street's take on MLI and whether this stock could be set for liftoff. Let's jump in. 1. Current stock price and performance trends right now. Mueller Industries, MLI, is trading at $80.82, up 0.53% today. Over the past year, it's climbed an impressive 64.91%. But how does that compare historically? Well, if you bought this stock a year ago, you'd be feeling pretty good right now, and it's outpacing a lot of its peers. The big question is, can it keep this momentum going? Let's dig deeper. 2. Key financial ratios. Is MLI a strong investment? Mueller Industries has some very interesting financials. Here's what you need to know. 1. P/E ratio. 15.23, that's below the industrial sector average. 21.24, meaning it could be undervalued. 2. Debt to equity ratio. 0.03, the company is running with minimal debt. 3. Return on equity, ROE, 23.94%. A high ROE like this means management knows how to turn investments into profits. 4. Current ratio, 6.4, this shows MLI has plenty of cash to cover its short-term obligations. These numbers paint a picture of a financially strong, well-managed company, but is the stock price reflecting that strength? Let's check the charts. 3. Key support and resistance levels right now. MLI is hovering around key levels. 1. Support, $80.28. 2. Resistance, $81.06. With prices consolidating near resistance, we could be setting up for a breakout. But is it coming sooner or later? 4. Moving averages, bullish or bearish? Let's look at the trend lines for MLI. 1. 20-day SMA, $80.26. 2. 50-day SMA, $80.27. 3. 200-day SMA, $71.12. Key takeaway: the short-term moving averages are right in line with the stock price, meaning we're at a decision point. Either MLI breaks out or faces short-term weakness. Long-term, the 200-day SMA shows a strong upward trend. 5. Earnings. Is MLI delivering? Earnings are always a make or break moment for stocks. How did MLI do last quarter? 1. EPS, $1.21 versus expectations of $1.12 beat estimates. 2. Revenue, $923.5 million. Not only did MLI beat expectations, but they've also shown consistent revenue growth. This is a major positive signal for investors. 6. How does MLI compare to its peers? Mueller Industries is holding its own in the industrial sector. 1. Ranks 47th out of 173 industrial stocks. 2. Outperforms 84% of competitors. That's strong positioning in a competitive space. But can it keep outperforming? 7. Analyst ratings. What's Wall Street saying? What do analysts think about MLI? 1. Consensus rating, BUY. 2. Average price target, $105, a potential 30.81% upside. So, analysts are bullish, but should we trust them? Well, let's look at recent news. 8. Major news that could impact the stock. A big catalyst for MLI came in November 2024 when it was added to the S&P 400 index. This is a huge credibility boost and could bring more institutional investors into the stock. There are no major legal issues or red flags, which is always a relief. This means there aren't any big risks dragging MLI down, a good sign for long-term investors. Final thoughts: is MLI a buy? So, where does that leave us? 1. Financials look strong. 2. Earnings are solid. 3. The technicals suggest a potential breakout. 4. Analysts think there's upside. But the real question is, what do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Mueller Industries? Drop a comment below. And remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing.